Hi guys, I'm Ramya and today we are going to make a super cool aeroplane. If you know how to make an ordinary one, you should know how to make this cool one out of me. So first you will need a paper. You will fold it in half like two side to side like this. And on the other part you will do with one finger from up to there like that. When you do that, you open it and you do a flip over it. You do this like part and then you do it again. You make a triangle on one side and then you make the same height to the other one part. And then you do it with one finger again. You fold it in half like this. When on this part, you do it a little bit like that. And when you do it, you will see like a house shape right over here. You will know that. And if you know how to make an aeroplane, we just made one. And now we have to make a cool aeroplane, so you know what we have to do. We make an aeroplane sign right over here with a pencil. So I'm gonna do first the oval part of the aeroplane. You do the wings of the aeroplane and the back of the aeroplane. When you do that part, you do on the front a little big blue window, and then like a half of an oval on the bottom next to it. You put on a lot of squares on one side like that. And then if you want to color them, I will tell you later. So let's do that on the other side now. When you got it done, now let me tell you how to color it. So first you will need your colors. Like I have a lot. You see them. And then I'm gonna get one of the blues and we will need some gray. You won't see any gray. Let's see them. Here it is. I found it. We will need these two colors. I will close the lid and now let's color. We will color the window, the front, big like a triangle, part blue, and all of the other squares blue too, because those are the windows. When you do that, I will put it just right over there. And now, let's color this part. The back part and the wings. And now, let's color it off. The aeroplane. We colored the aeroplane. Let's do the back side now. Try your best to not get out of the lines. I'm trying my best. all done. And now let's put our crayons back inside. I got it. And now you want to see the cool part? Let me show you the cool part. You get your scissors and then you cut them. You cut on the back. You do like on the wings and do like this. You cut the back. Cut it. Now that's one side. And now second. Let's do it all the way to here. That's the good way. Got it. And now you want to see the cool part? Let's go out and let's try the aeroplane. Ready? Oh yeah, and bye guys. And thanks for watching my video. I'm Ramya, and please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.